Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my studio. This is Paint with Lovejoy. Thanks so much for joining today. Now, what I'm going to talk about in this video is kind of a prep for a new workshop that I am putting together. If you have looked at a lot of the Artshherpa or Painting with Jane or Ginger Cook tutorials on YouTube, there are some really amazing teachers, or even another tutorial on YouTube, and you look at it and you go, oh, that's too hard, but I kind of want to paint it. Oh, it looks way too tough. If you're looking at some of those tutorials that way, then my creative bootcamp workshop is going to give you the confidence and the experience that you can look at that tutorial and go, yes, I'm going to give it a try. So I'm kind of that step before you get to some of those more complicated tutorials. All right, guys, so if you are ready and excited about the First Time Painter Bootcamp, I will be taking you from a scared creative into a confident painter, where you'll be ready to tackle all kinds of new projects that today you might feel are a little too intimidating. So with the bootcamp, you will increase your creative and painting confidence. So to do that, go ahead, add your name to the wait list. You will receive a welcome email to confirm that you're on the wait list, and then you'll receive more information and that early bird registration link. Because I am personally going to be giving everybody feedback and helping them move along, I can only work with so many people for those 4 weeks. So please sign up sooner rather than later once that registration does open for you. And I look forward to, just all the places that you're going to grow. And by stepping out of your comfort zone and doing this, it's going to make other things that you want to do by stepping out of your comfort zone, it's going to make it a little bit easier. And I'm going to be with you every step of the way for the painting process. And like I said earlier, it's going to give you some great confidence to go, yeah, I am creative. I can paint. And that personally is one of my goals, to get many more people being able to say that about themselves, because we all are genuinely creative. Just some of us have it hidden a little bit more, or just haven't given themselves the opportunity to get creative. So this is a great place, a great workshop for you to get comfortable and to build those skills. So until next time, I will see you in the boot camp. Cheers.